Hey, what's up guys? Today, we're working on this Ford Focus United States model. And if your cigarette lighter or power outlet isn't working, yeah, the one you use to charge your phone, this video is gonna help you fix that fast. So, without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and get right to it. In the 2008 to 2011 Ford Focus, you'll have two fuses used for the rear and front power outlet. First things first, pop the hood. We're heading to the fuse box, located right here under the hood on the driver's side. Now, the fuses you're looking for are two blue 20 amp BJK style fuses. They sit right next to each other and might look identical. You can find the front power point or cigarette lighter fuse in fuse slot number 15. The rear power point is in the fuse slot number 3. By the way, if you need replacements, just ask for G-Case 20 amp fuses at your local auto parts store. Heads up though, these things are notorious for breaking when you try to yank them out. Annoying, right? Alright, for the 2012 to 2018 Ford Focus, the setup's a bit different. The fuse box is inside the cabin, right under the passenger side console. You might have to open the cover to access it. So here's the power outlet fuse. Look for fuse number F61, a 20 amp fuse. That's the one controlling your front and rear auxiliary power points. You can spot a blown fuse by looking for a break in the metal strip inside. Ensure you use the correct fuse type when replacing it. Always check the amperage rating. If your power outlet still isn't working after replacing the fuse, double check for loose wiring or try testing the socket with another device. In the 2019 to 2021 Ford Focus, the power outlet fuse can be found in the engine bay fuse box. It is located between the near side wing and the battery. You can see how you can access the fuses in my other video. So here's the power outlet fuse. There are three 20 amp BJK style fuses in blue color. Now, I'll be real with you. I'm not 100% sure which fuse goes to which outlet, driver or passenger side. If you figure it out, drop it in the comments so we can help each other out. And that's it. Quick and easy. Check those two fuses if your power outlet's dead. If you've got any questions, or better yet, tips, hit the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe if this helped you out. Catch you in the next one.